Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we have cosx square, that is about this one. So I will put this one go to the right. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sinx square. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Sin x, cosine x, dx we change for this one. So we need to expand this one. And we got like this. So u and u we can do about factorization. Next, we divide by 1 over a square on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. And then I will put a square cone here. And now we have the final answer. The interpretation of this one we have like this. So about u, that is about sin x square. So a square we cancel.